Hey everyone! Today, we will be discussing a programming roadmap, a comprehensive guide that can assist you in navigating the programming world and becoming a successful developer. This video is ideal for individuals who are new to programming or those who want to enhance their skills. The first and most critical step in your programming journey is to select a programming language. With numerous programming languages available, such as Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, and others, it is crucial to consider your goals, the type of projects you want to work on, and the industry you want to work in when selecting a language. After selecting a programming language, it's time to learn the fundamentals of programming, including variables, data types, operators, and control structures. These concepts are critical to mastering how to write code that accomplishes specific tasks. Finally, build projects that can help you apply your new programming skills and knowledge. Once you have a good grasp of the fundamentals, it's time to start putting your knowledge into practice by building projects. Start with simple ones such as a calculator or tic-tac-toe game and gradually move on to more challenging ones. As you gain more experience, you may want to specialize in a particular area of programming such as web development, mobile app development, or data analysis. This will help you become an expert in your field and increase your employability. Finally, to keep up with the latest programming trends and technologies, it's essential to join online communities, attend conferences, and read industry blogs. Remember, becoming a successful programmer requires hard work and dedication, but with perseverance, you can achieve your goals. Best of luck on your programming journey.